Welcome guys, thank you so much for joining in. So if you are wondering what is happening with Bitcoin right now and want to find out the next possible scenario that could be playing out, then you should definitely watch this video till the end, because in this video guys, I have prepared some very interesting charts pointing out the area where we are right now. This line is the must hold line for Bitcoin, and breaking this line could turn the whole market structure upside down. Why? Because you can see here on my yesterday video I showed you this Bitcoin price structure in a 4-hour time frame using this inverse head and shoulder that was pointing out if we are going to break this neckline area here, right, then there is a very likely scenario that we are going to see some impulsive move playing out for Bitcoin. And not just only the neckline area, we were also aware that to the upside this yellow line was the upper line area of this descending broadening wedge, because every time when price came here to the upside to the upper line area, we always found a strong rejection. But when we broke out of this yesterday, we were actually expecting some very impulsive move to play out for Bitcoin. You can see the price did headed to the upside, and all of a sudden we started heading to the downward direction. Not just only this descending broadening wedge and this inverse head and shoulder was showing a potential upward price movement, but also this 1, 2, 3 reversal bottom scenario. Because according to this 1, 2, 3 reversal bottom, if the price does manage to break the 0.2 area, in our case the 0.2 was around 34,000, then only we are going to buy. And you can see after that the price did saw some really nice impulsive move here to the upside, almost like reaching 1,500 points, and all of a sudden market started correcting here. So what was the reason behind it? One reason definitely is this tweet here from Elon Musk trolling with us again, because you can see how many Bitcoin maxes does it take to screw in a light bulb, and that actually did impacted the price here, because you can see exactly when the price of Bitcoin was hovering around this 35,200 area, Elon Musk started trolling with us, and then you can see all of a sudden market started reacting negatively. But not just only the Elon Musk tweet was the reason why we did saw this rejection here to the upside, but if you have watched my video from yesterday, and also guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. And also guys, let me make you aware, BYBIT right now is providing around $1,610 deposit bash bonus, and this one is for limited time only. The only thing you have to do is sign up using my ref link down below. The sign up process would take you only 2 or 3 minutes of your time, and if you already have a BYBIT account and you want to claim this bonus one more time, then you have to create a new email address and follow this process one by one. Let me show you very quickly. After signing up, just go to promotion and click on the latest promotion. $1,610 reward up for grabs. Click on this. Here's how you can claim your bonus. $1,010 bonus for new users in the deposit bonus bash page, up to $100 in reward hub, and 500 worth of bonus are available in the referral program. Click on this deposit bonus bash, scroll downside, then you will see the reward table, how you can claim your bonuses, the rules and terms, and just click on join now. That's it guys. And now let's jump into our chart. You can see we did talked about this descending channel that was also showing us that, hey, in the past Bitcoin price action, this upper line has always acted as a very strong resistance line. So if the price of Bitcoin wants to break in upward direction at any cost, we have to break out of this upper line area of this descending channel. And you can see here exactly when we came here, we found a very strong resistance, right? So now what to take into consideration, because if I switch this time frame into 4-hour time frame, what we want at any cost guys, let me show you here. This is in a 4-hour time frame. What we want at any cost, you can see the price here to come back again inside this ascending channel, because this price right now is clearly going below this lower line support, which we were actually following since couple of days. So that's why right now, if the price of Bitcoin is not able to find support, then the price here is going to be weakening with every movement, because this here, right, is clearly showing us that now, since the price of Bitcoin has already got a rejection from this upper line area of the descending channel, in the past Bitcoin price action, you can see getting rejection from the upper line area brought some decent price pullback all the way here towards the bottom of the channel. So that's why this is what we don't want price of Bitcoin to do again, because if the rejection here is going to act just like here from the past Bitcoin price action, then we are not allowed to break this support, which is between 30,000 to 33,000 area. Because if we do manage to break below this 33,000 and also below this 30,000, guys, then this broadening bottom scenario is also going to fail, because according to this broadening bottom, you can see the upper line was a strong resistance line and the lower line was a very strong support line for Bitcoin, again in a daily time frame. And you can see if this is going to continue, then what we want this 30,000 support to hold the price at any cost, because if it is going to break below this 30,000 support line, then also this one bullish scenario is going to fail for Bitcoin, and then a very dangerous scenario is going to play out, which is known as rounding top for Bitcoin. Because I'm showing you this just to show you guys and warn you, if the 30,000 support is not going to hold the price anymore, then which lower price target we are going to focus. Because according to this rounding top, the price of Bitcoin is actually forming a pretty similar scenario, just like here from Euro US dollar. In our case right now, you can see this is a weekly chart for Bitcoin, and this is also showing us the price of Bitcoin could be forming this rounding top, because since the price here has already left below this support line here, right, price target here is going to be measured from the neckline till the top area, and then again here to the downside, because you can see stop loss entry point, and this target line to the downside is actually showing us that, hey, if the price of Bitcoin is going to do a pretty similar scenario, then our potential downward price target, right, is going to stay around 24,000 area. So if this 30,000, this white line is a 30,000 support is going to break, then we are definitely going to focus around this 24 to 25,000 price area here to the downside. Because you can clearly see, if we look to the volume here to the downside, the volume bars, you can see inverted volume behavior, because according to this rounding top, you can see decline on volume and again inverted volume behavior, and this is exactly what we are also witnessing here in a weekly time frame for Bitcoin. So that's why we want at any cost to stay between this 33,000 price level. Breaking this 30,000 price level is also going to indicate that this rounding top scenario could be playing out for Bitcoin, which could bring us all the way towards this 24 to 25,000 price level here to the downside. So that's why, guys, I have said you plenty of time, and I'm saying it one more time here, not to over leverage yourself and use proper risk management. So these are some of the scenario I thought sharing with you in today's episode. If this video was helpful enough, then please guys hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.